In this video I'm going to show you how to convert a video to a GIF in Canva. So the first step is create a new design. Once you are there, type in video. As you can see, we have different options. For now I will select this one. If you would like to create a GIF, then follow these steps. First we need to add a video. So for that we are going to elements and then type in like car, for example. Once you're there, you can click on videos. Now you can add this to your design. We will resize it a little bit to the document size, and now you basically have already added a video. Now if you would like to turn this video into a GIF, then click on share, click on download, and once you are there we will select the file type. Now click on GIF. This is a short clip without sound, so make sure this is a short clip. Once you are done, then click on download, and this one will be converted to a GIF.